Okay, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence isn't just evolving anymore, right? I mean, it is practically rebuilding the world around us from the ground up. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to look at Kestrel AI Solution. They are a company aiming to position themselves right at the absolute center of this massive technological shift. So, we're going to unpack exactly how they're utilizing AI to build out their vision of the future. We'll be breaking down their technology, their mission, and exactly where they intend to head next. Now, Kestrel's core identity really hinges on one specific intersection. It's where intelligence meets innovation. Their stated mission is to completely transform businesses, and they definitely aren't relying on basic, everyday algorithms to do it. To actually achieve this level of transformation, they are leveraging a pretty serious arsenal of cutting-edge AI, machine learning, and advanced graph technology. Their ambition extends way beyond just building isolated, one-off tools for a handful of clients. By actively positioning themselves as a next-generation artificial intelligence company built, as they put it, for the world, their drive is to create intelligent digital products and services that actually have a global footprint. Basically, they're aiming to be the invisible, intelligent engine behind the critical services and products we interact with every single day on a global scale. Okay, let's dive into this technology arsenal for a second. Behind these massive global ambitions is a really heavily layered technological stack. We're talking about machine learning, generative AI, large language models, which you probably just know as LLMs, graph technology, and modern cloud systems. Now, this isn't just a random list of industry buzzwords, it represents a highly comprehensive approach. You see, the LLMs give their systems the ability to process and generate complex, human-like text, while graph technology comes in and meticulously maps out the relationships between literally billions of data points. And all of this, it's hosted on modern cloud systems to guarantee massive scalability. It is a really powerful stack, purposely designed for heavy lifting. So what does this all mean? What is actually done with that powerful tech stack? Well, Kestrel uses this technology to build next-generation enterprise AI platforms. These are advanced systems that integrate AI directly into the beating heart of a business. This integration enables predictive intelligence. Think about that for a second. It means businesses can actually anticipate trends and challenges before they even happen. It also enables incredibly deep data analytics and smart automation. Really, think of these enterprise platforms as the vital bridge connecting incredibly complex raw data on one side to highly practical, everyday business applications on the other. When you compare your standard web and mobile applications against these AI-powered smart automation systems, Kestrel's strategy becomes crystal clear. They are aiming to elevate the standard. They take a regular, static application and just inject it with business AI tools. Suddenly, an app doesn't just passively display information to a user, it actively analyzes data, it automates routine and even complex tasks, and it functions as a proactive smart system. They are effectively upgrading the very nature of how digital products function in the modern enterprise. It's a real game changer. And behind this highly futuristic enterprise software is the founder and CEO, Eshwar Ganta. His guiding philosophy is pretty straightforward: build world-class intelligent solutions that solve real-world problems. I love this because it completely grounds all the high-level tech talk we just went through. The focus here isn't just on building AI for the sake of having the latest shiny tech, it is anchored firmly in utility. The whole goal is solving tangible issues that actually impact people and organizations on a daily basis. Of course, to target those real-world problems effectively, Kestrel relies on some serious technical expertise at the helm. Eshwar Ganta's credentials span data science, machine learning engineering, and entrepreneurship. This kind of multidisciplinary background tells us that the company's vision is steered by an understanding of both the complex data science and the practical business applications. It shows that leadership isn't just coming from a purely management background. Instead, it comes from an active, hands-on understanding of the actual engineering required to make these advanced systems work reliably out in the real world. Now, the philosophy driving this technical leadership is deeply rooted in human-technology partnership. Artificial intelligence is so often portrayed in the media as cold, disconnected, or even adversarial to human workers, right? But Kestrel's stated mission is to use technology-driven innovation to empower professional teams. It's an approach that's entirely based on AI working alongside humanity. The idea is enhancing human capabilities rather than simply replacing them. So where exactly is this technology-driven innovation being applied? Well, the target sectors are incredibly broad. We're looking at business, education, healthcare, sustainability, and society as a whole. By deploying smart systems across these specific critical areas, Kestrel intends to tackle some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Whether it's optimizing a massive complex supply chain in the business sector, personalizing a student's curriculum in education, or even predicting patient outcomes to help save lives in healthcare, the potential footprint of this technology is absolutely massive. And this impact, it's designed to scale in three very distinct phases over time. Step 1 focuses on immediate business AI and automation. This is the foundational layer where they are currently transforming enterprise tools. Then, Step 2 scales things way up, from individual businesses to entire smart cities and healthcare infrastructures. Finally, Step 3 looks out toward the absolute cutting edge, with space tech and robotics. It's a highly logical, step-by-step expansion from today's immediate workflow bottlenecks straight into tomorrow's frontier initiatives. This whole chronological trajectory points directly to their ultimate goal: to become a globally recognized AI company building transformative technologies for the future. The biggest takeaway here is the vast scope of their roadmap. They aren't just looking to participate in the AI industry or, offer a few neat software patches. Their blueprint is designed to architect and engineer the very technologies that will alter how future society operates. It's a huge vision. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a thought based directly on Kestrel's closing motto. They state that they are innovating intelligence for a better tomorrow. But I think the real question for us is, how will intelligent innovation shape your tomorrow? Whether it's in your career, your personal business strategies, or just your daily life, these tools are arriving right now. So how will you utilize the systems being built by companies like Kestrel AI Solution to transform your own future? It's definitely something to seriously consider. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep asking those big questions, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.